What's up, everybody? Today we are out here in the Husker State with my friend Mitch, digging in deeper into the green snap studies that we have going on out here, utilizing this here wind machine behind us.
Let's walk out into the plots and see what kind of damage this thing made.
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
All right, we're out here in the green snap studies, and I found an example of how we do a count as far as green snap is concerned. So here, we've got around 60% of the plants that are snapped off. They're completely gone, so we actually won't see any regrowth from these plants. Later on in the season, what we'll actually do is come back through and look at the lodged plants and make sure that they've recovered and come back okay, and do counts on those as well. Now, we've got several different studies out here, so between treatments and between studies, we'll pay attention to the different snapping percentages throughout those. Thanks for watching. Tune in to our latest episode of The Dig to check out some of our other green snap studies.